Hi everyone, today's lesson is all about air because air is always around us. You are more likely to see it outside than you are inside because we can see things moving more outside because of the weather. Wind is air in motion, and sometimes days like today the wind hasn't got a high speed, so we're able to walk about and do our daily things. But if you have winds where the speed is much faster, it might cause the lightest thing on your body to stand on end. So it might cause your hair to stand on end because it is blowing the lightest thing on your body. Now, if you then have a bigger storm than that, so earlier in the year we had Storm Dennis, we had Storm Kira, that even knocked over wheelie bins because the speed of the air was so powerful and was moving at such a high speed, we felt like we couldn't walk through the air without being knocked off our feet. And today's experiment does look at air, and it looks at the speed of air and the volume of air, and we look at different air pressures too. So today we are going to knock down the 10 cups that we have got stacked up here in one go. How are we going to do it? We're going to try 3 different ways, and in the process we are going to learn about air. Now, the importance of this is mouths. We are looking at the size of mouths, which is great because our first one, what we are going to use to knock them down, is our mouth. Then we are going to use something that has a bigger mouth, and then we're going to use something that has an even bigger mouth than that. Okay, here is number 1. I'm going to stand on the line here. I'm going to face the cups and I'm going to breathe in and out. Nothing, not a single cup knocked down. Let's try something that has a bigger mouth, that will have a bigger airflow and a higher speed. A hairdryer. I'm going to stand in the same spot. I'm going to turn it on high so that the air is moving at the fastest speed as it can in the hairdryer. Let's see how many we can knock down. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, so we've still got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 still on the table. We want to get them all off the table. So it was higher than our mouth, so this has a bigger mouth than us, or me. But we need something that's got an even bigger mouth than me and the hairdryer. Let's try a leaf blower. The leaf blower has different settings which determines the speed at which the air will be coming out of the tube at the front. Let's put it on the highest one. Okay, we need to stack our cups back up so that we still have 10. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. All of them gone in one go. So, who was our winner today? Was it me? Was it the hairdryer? Or was it the almighty powerful leaf blower? Yes, it was the leaf blower because it had the biggest mouth out of me and the hairdryer. I know, definitely got the bigger mouth, and because it's got a bigger mouth, it's able to generate more air. The fan inside of here allows air to move through much quicker, okay, and that is creating a bigger stream of air, and we are getting a higher volume. Now, how do we get high volume of air? Well, we need a lower pressure. Now, if we look at pressures of the air, When you have a low pressure on the air, it means the gases, the air can move around much more freely. So you've got a bigger volume of air, bigger area, bigger space of air. When you have a high pressure on the air, it is pushing the air together, so it is creating more collisions and it is putting more pressure on the air, so the pressure is higher. Faster moving air, lower pressure. The leaf blower was able to create the fastest moving air, so it had a lower pressure and it had the high volume of air that we needed to knock down those cups. If we go back to the beginning, I would compare this to my Storm Kira and my Storm Dennet, because it's able to knock down things, okay, because of the speed at which the air is travelling. If we go back to the beginning again, when I blew onto the cups, it didn't have much impact, and that is the same as when the air is moving around on a day like today. The speeds aren't very high, okay, so there's not much force on me. But then when you look at your hairdryer, then that is able, okay, the speeds are moving much quicker, so then it is able to move lighter things, okay, light things on your body, like your hair. But in order to move things in one go, like our cups, you need something that is going to generate a bigger volume of air and fast moving air, and that is our leaf blower today. So I hope you enjoyed it and have fun.